Cavalier was first used by Roundheads as a term of abuse for the wealthier Royalist supporters of King Charles I and his son Charles II of England during the English Civil War, the Interregnum, and the Restoration. It was later adopted by the Royalists themselves. Although it referred originally to political and social attitudes and behaviour, of which clothing was a very small part, it has subsequently become strongly identified with the fashionable clothing of the court at the time. Prince Rupert, commander of much of Charles's cavalry, is often considered to be an archetypal cavalier. Cavalier derives from the same Latin root as the Italian word cavaliere and the French word chevalier, the vulgar Latin word cavalarius, meaning horseman. Shakespeare used the word cavalieros to describe an overbearing swashbuckler or swaggering gallant in Henry IV, Part 2, in which Shallow says, "I'll drink to Master Bardolph and to all the cavalieros about London." Shallow returns in The Merry Wives of Windsor, where he is called Cavaliero Justice and Bully Rook, a term meaning blustering cheat. Cavalier is chiefly associated with the Royalist supporters of King Charles I in his struggle with Parliament in the English Civil War. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.